Hello everyone, Alec here. Today I'm going to show you how to lower the size of your video file without sacrificing too much quality. Ensure the desired file is selected. If you're in Premiere Pro, go to File, Export, Media. As you can see, the video is currently 384 megabytes. In the video setting, scroll down to the bitrate settings. Bitrate is the amount of data per second in your video, so a high bitrate equals a video with better quality. Go ahead and change the VBR to VBR2 pass. VBR stands for variable bitrate. This will adjust your bitrate throughout the entire video. By default, Adobe will always use the 1-pass VBR. However, the 2-pass VBR will help retain the quality of your video and reduce the total file size. Next, change the target bitrate to 2 or 3. When going below 2, it can drastically affect the way your video displays. And change the maximum bitrate to 10. As you can see, the video's estimated file size is now only 86 megabytes. Press Export. This process will take a little longer than usual since you're using a VBR2 pass. Thank you, and see you next time.